In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Slack. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have strengthened your Slack account security with an extra layer of protection. Let's dive in and make sure your account stays secure. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of your Slack interface. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. Once you've clicked on it, your profile sidebar will open. Now it's time to look for the More option. This is located in the top right corner of your profile sidebar. It's not immediately obvious, so take a careful look to ensure you spot it. Click More to see additional options expand from your profile. Within this expanded list, you will find the Account Settings. Click here, and you'll be taken to another page that presents various personal settings related to your Slack account. What we want next is an option directly impacting the security, so scan this page and locate two-factor authentication. Click on it, and you'll be ready to move forward. Now you'll enter the setup for two-factor authentication. It will prompt you to verify your password to access these sensitive settings. Go ahead and input your password, making sure there are no typos, then proceed by clicking Next. After you've successfully entered your password, you'll be presented with the choice of how you'd like to receive your two-factor authentication codes. You can either decide to receive these through a text message to your phone number or via an authenticator app. Each option has its pros. Text messages are simple and direct, while an authenticator app like Google Authenticator offers robust security. Make a choice that best fits your needs. If you decide to use the authenticator app, there'll be a QR code displayed on the screen. Open your app and scan this code. The app will then generate a 6-digit code which changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code back in Slack to confirm that everything is set up correctly on your end. And there you have it. Your Slack account now has two-factor authentication enabled. This extra layer of security means that even if someone manages to get your password, they would still need access to the code on your phone to log in. Remember, this small but powerful step helps protect your data and conversations within your Slack workspace. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. It's a wise decision to stay one step ahead in securing your digital life. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy Slacking!